So, so now we're going to route out the board. So typically when you get your boards imported into here with an outline, there's going to be an outline of your board, not this solid red mass you see here. What I had to do was select the red line, select the outline that was imported in here, and then use, when I have all the lines selected, all 4 lines for a square board or a rectangular board, go to convert to polygon. And what polygon does, what that does is it pretty much takes the outline and makes it into a solid piece of, or solid keep out area for the milling operation. So if I go to hide all and just view the outline layer, it's just a solid red rectangle. Then I'm just going to do an isolation on that solid rectangle. So tools, isolate, and then I'm going to do the, let's see, outline isolation with 62, just to verify that. It's actually 62.0 mils. So 62 mils, and then tool type is contour router. And isolate. And then it's just going to have a solid isolation there. On some boards, it might be useful to not route the complete rectangle in one operation. It might be useful to put a little bit material on the top and bottom to kind of keep the board in position while the bulk of the board is being routed out. So I'm going to do that with the tools and clip tool. I'm just going to put a line right through the middle of this board. Small little line. And that'll basically take off a small little section from the milling. And that's small enough that you can snap it off with your finger or undo the operation and do a second pass for routing to cut that little piece. So now we're just ready to run the layer. So mill, run layer. And actually, because we flipped that over, we either flip the board back over to unmirror the board, or we can mirror the layer and kind of route out the board on the bottom side. So flipping on the board is kind of simple, so I'll show how you can mirror the layer so you can route out this board to the bottom side. So with the layers, and then on the bottom here it says outline.arcs, and that's the isolation layer. I'm going to click on the mirror checkbox here. And that'll allow me to contour a route on the bottom side of this board. So then I'll go to, let's see, mill, run layer, and then outline.